and all of the city lights, where dreams collide with endless nights. We chase the dawn, our hearts aglow. With every step, we feel the flow. A whisper in the air, a promise untold. With courage as our armor, we're brave and bold. Feel the rhythm in our veins as the world around us fades. We're writing stories in the stars, no more hiding who we are. We are the echoes of tomorrow, rising from the ashes of our sorrow. With every heartbeat we ignite, together we will soar into the night. Through the storm and through the fire, we'll reach for dreams that lift us higher. In this moment we're alive, together we will thrive. With every shadow that we face, we find the light, we find our place. A tapestry of hope unfolds, with threads of courage bright and bold. The past may haunt us, but we're not afraid. With every tear a new path is made. Feel the rhythm in our veins as the world around us fades. We're writing stories in the stars, no more hiding who we are. We are the echoes of tomorrow, rising from the ashes of our sorrow. We are riding with every heartbeat we ignite, together we will soar into the night, to the night. Through the storm and through the fire, we'll reach for dreams that lift us higher, lift us higher. In this moment we're alive, together we will thrive. And when the night feels cold and long, we'll sing our anthem loud and strong. For every battle fought and won, we stand united, we are one. In the silence hear a call, together we can break the fall. We are the echoes of tomorrow, rising from the ashes of our sorrow. With every heartbeat we ignite, together we will soar into the night, to the night. Through the storm and through the fire, we'll reach for dreams that lift us higher, lift us higher. In this moment we're alive, together we will thrive. So here we stand, the stars are guide, with open hearts and arms spread wide. The future's calling, here we reign. In unity our spirits sing. We are the echoes, we are the light, together we'll shine bright. Late night seeing neon glow, heartbeats racing, ready to go. The world's a canvas painted bright, we're dancing shadows lost in the night. Every heartbeat's a countdown, feel of the magic spinning around. We'll chase the stars, let go of the past, and this electric moment will make it last. So grab my hand, let's break away. No regrets in this wild ballet. We'll write our story page by page. With every laugh we'll set the stage. We're living in electric dreams, chasing the fire, bursting at the seams. With every whisper, every scream, we're unstoppable, we're a dream team. Feel the rhythm, let it ignite. Together we'll shine, shine so bright. In this moment we're alive. Electric dreams, we will thrive. Music's pumping, hearts align. In the crowd you're forever mine. Lost in the sound, we'll take the lead. This love's a wildfire, it's all we need. We'll dance through shadows, light the way. In the chaos we'll always stay. With every glance a spark ignites. We're the champions of these nights. So grab my hand, let's break away. No regrets in this wild ballet. We'll write our story page by page. With every laugh we'll set the stage. We're living in electric dreams, chasing the fire, bursting at the seams. With every whisper, every scream, we're unstoppable, we're a dream team. Feel the rhythm, let it ignite. Together we'll shine, shine so bright. In this moment we're all alive. Electric dreams, we will thrive. shadows fall, we'll rise together, we'll never stall. With every heartbeat we're breaking through. This is our anthem, me and you. So let's light the night with colors so bold. With every story together we'll unfold. No limits here, just endless skies. And this electric love will always rise. We're living in electric dreams, chasing the fire, bursting at the seams. With every whisper, every scream, we're unstoppable, we're a dream team. Feel the rhythm, let it ignite. Together we'll shine, shining so bright. In this moment we're alive. Electric dreams, we will thrive. So here we are, under the stars. This love's a journey, it's written in the bars. With every heartbeat we'll break the night. In electric dreams, everything feels right. Forever we'll dance, forever we'll glow. In this electric world, we'll let it flow. We're living in electric dreams, together forever, or so it seems. In the silence before the dawn, where the shadows and the dreams are drawn, we gather strength, we raise our voice in the echoes of a whispered choice. The world is vast, a canvas wide. With every heartbeat we'll take the ride. Through the storms and through the flames, we'll rise anew, unbroken, untamed. With every tear we find our way, turning darkness into light of day. Our spirits soar, unchained, unbound. In the heart of chaos, hope is found. We're chasing horizons where the sky meets the sea. With our dreams as our compass, we'll set ourselves free. Through the valleys of doubt, over mountains of fear, we'll light up the night, our vision is clear. Together we'll run where the wild winds blow. Chasing horizons, we'll never let go. Through the echoes of a garden song, we find our way where we belong. In the whispers of the night, we'll ignite. With every step we'll chase the light. Fires of passion burn in our souls. With every heartbeat we'll take the ride. Through the storms and through the flames, we'll rise anew, unbroken names. We'll rise anew. We'll rise anew, unbroken, oh. With every tear we find our way, turning darkness into light of day. Our spirits soar, unchained, unbound. In the heart of chaos, hope is found. We're chasing horizons where the sky meets the sea. With our dreams as our compass, we'll set ourselves free. Through the valleys of doubt, over mountains of fear, we'll light up the night, our vision is clear. Together we'll run where the wild winds blow. Chasing horizons, we'll never let go. And when the road seems endless, and the night feels long, we'll find the strength within us, we'll keep holding on. In the silence, hear the thunder, feel the fire ignite. Together we are fearless, we'll rise up and fight. For every moment lost, there's a moment to gain. In the heart of the struggle, we'll dance in the rain. We're chasing horizons where the sky meets the sea. With our dreams as our compass, we'll set ourselves free. Through the valleys of doubt, over mountains of fear, we'll light up the night, our vision is clear. Together we'll run where the wild winds blow. Chasing horizons, we'll never let go. We'll chase to the journeys, the paths yet to find. With every heartbeat, we're leaving fear behind. In the embrace of the stars, where our spirits can roam, we'll chase these horizons, together we're home. We're chasing horizons, chasing horizons where the sky meets the sea. With our dreams as our compass, we'll silently free. Oh, we're chasing horizons where the sky meets the sea. With our dreams as our compass, we're finally free. And when the road seems endless and the night feels long, we'll find the strength within us, we'll keep holding on. In the silence, hear the thunder, feel the fire ignite. Together we are fearless, we'll rise up and fight. For every moment lost, there's a moment to gain. In the heart of the struggle, we'll dance in the rain. We're chasing horizons, where the sky meets the sea. With our dreams as our compass, we'll
Oil evening glow, when shadows dance and whispers flow. We stand at the edge, hearts wide open. In the stillness, dreams are spoken. The world is vast, a tapestry bright, with threads of courage woven through the night. We'll leave behind the weight of yesterday, embrace the dawn, let it light our way. Drawing near to the promise of tomorrow, banishing fear. The road ahead may twist and turn, but in our hearts the fire will burn. We'll rise on the wings of the dawn, with every breath we're reborn. Through the storms of the darkest night, we'll find our way, we'll chase the light. Together we're unstoppable, we'll break the mold in this journey of 1,000 stories told. As our compass, love as our guide, we'll soar through the sky side by side. As the stars begin to fade away, we'll gather strength for the coming day. With every challenge that lies ahead, we'll paint our dreams in shades of red. No more shadows, no more chains. In the dance of life, we'll break the reins. With open arms, we'll face the sun.